Okay, so in Algebra 1, one of the most important things that you're going to learn is to solve an equation. And what that means is to get a variable all by itself on one side of the equal sign. As you can see, m, our variable, is not all by itself because you're adding 4 to m. So I need to get rid of plus 4. The way you get rid of a plus 4 is you subtract 4 from both sides. This is called an inverse function. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. When you do that, the 4 and the minus 4 become 0 and cancel each other out. On the left side, the m drops down, the equal sign drops down, and then you do negative 12 minus 4, which is negative 16. Now that m is all by itself, also known as isolated on the left, you're good. You got your answer. You're done. And m equals negative 16. And that's my answer.